Okay, hey guys, so it's a new day, and today we are going to be working on the S14. So if you haven't already, we blew the engine on it. It's a KA24 DET with a 6670. I don't know, I forgot. So it's a little dirty. We're going to get everything ripped out of here, but first I want to rip the turbo off, do all the oil lines, the intercooler piping, and test fit the other manifold. So I have a new manifold right here. It's a ram horn. And I got this one before, but it didn't come in time, and we already started welding the downpipe on that one. And so we got this one, and we have all new materials for the downpipe. We have a full rebuild engine kit, pistons, rods. We're also getting a new performance head by, I forgot who, but it's all, I don't even know what to call it, grinded out. So it has better airflow. It's got bigger valves, valve springs, and then cams. And so we're also probably going to be getting a bigger turbo, but we got to test fit this thing and see, because the problem that we have right now, battery's dying, is the exhaust is too close to our slave cylinder for our brakes. And so I've heard that a Geometra something, I'll get the VIN number, it's right here. I've read on the forums that these things are actually like, I think it's like 3 inches shorter. And so that would actually do us a huge favor there, and they're only like $80. So we might get one of those and just test fit it. But let's start taking stuff apart. Okay, so we got the S14 all torn apart and everything. We just took the oil catch can off. And let's see what's inside of it. Because this could be something. Because I hear some stuff in there. Come on.
Ew. Brother, ew.
What the fuck?
What's that?
Did we pull a head gasket? No. That's coolant. And oil. What? Look at this shit. Why is it so watery? That should only be blow by. What? What? Oh, I just took all the bump stops and everything off. So that's why it's... Yeah. But look how crazy that looks. Ready? If you could do one solid light all the way across, it looks sick. Wow! So if anyone that makes lights, hit us up? Maybe. Open it. Open it. Okay. Yeah, I'll work on this tomorrow. Okay, it's a new day, and we got the S14 out right now. We're gonna move some stuff, jack it up. I need to take the bumper off, the fenders off, the hood off, start taking all the oil, coolant, power steering, and take all that stuff off. But I guess let's just get it up, get her jacked up. Okay, so we got the hood off and the front bash bar, the front bumper. Yeah, but we need to undo the side skirts too, sadly. But I don't want to take those all the way off because then we'll have to cut the underglow again. So the underglow, where's the wire at? Right here. So we're gonna have to splice it and make it like a plug so we can plug it in and out. And we gotta take care of these clump of wires too. So good thing we're gonna be simplifying the harness a little bit. So we're gonna have to start taking out the fluids, and we might as well start with the radiator. And I think one of these lines got pierced right here, and it's leaking all down there. But I'm so excited to paint this damn engine bay. It's gonna look so good, I can't even explain it. Exciting stuff is happening. So yeah, let's take the fluids out. There's one strip bolt in this intake manifold, exhaust manifold, cause brother, ew. Yay! Brother, ew. Cause that one's all nasty and everything, and I'm so excited, I can't even explain it, to make a new downpipe, cause I already have it mapped out in my head, and I hope it goes very smoothly, cause this one was a pain in the ass to make. So we actually have to go get some gas and everything, cause I'm redoing these. I'm cutting all these out and making new panels, and we're gonna be deleting this hole, cause holy shit, that's a huge hole. I didn't even realize that. But we have to take this bracket off. We're gonna be remaking this hole, filling that in, and we're gonna be using this side hole to put our intercooler piping in. So it's gonna go straight to the turbo.
Hey, and are we wanting to cut this too?
What? No. Not really. But I mean, if we want to make it all plug and play, we might as well. Hey, it's ripping off. Okay, so let's take the fenders off, and yeah, I just cut it. But let's take the fenders off and start pulling everything out. And before we can even pull the engine out of the car, we have to pull the intake off to unplug the whole harness routed through here. And so our plan is to vapor hone this, make it all silver again. We're basically gonna have a brand new engine, brand new manifold. We might as well get a brand new turbo at this point. Brand new paint in the engine bay. We're gonna be trying Geometra brake booster, because I've heard on the forums, so we're gonna test that theory. We're gonna be simplifying the harness, and yeah, we have to take apart the harness underneath the intake and unplug everything before we can even pull the engine. So let's get the cooling out, fenders off, and start working on the manifold. Okay, here we go. We're undoing the coolant. Let's see if I can get this out. Oh, it's not bad. Okay, I'm gonna leave you guys here and open the cap. There we go. Whoa, filled up too fast. Oh God. Oh, okay, we're going full send. We're going full send. Oh no. No. Oh, it's spilling everywhere. Just kidding. It's not that bad. That's clean ass coolant. I haven't changed that bitch in like 2 years, I think. Not bad. Not bad whatsoever. And let me know if you guys like this stabilizer camera, cause it's iffy to record with. So let me know if you guys like the stabilization of it.
You need to move that hood again.
Why?
Get that fender off. Could open the door.
Brother, ooh. We just need to clean this car. Badly. Cause look how beautiful this color is, but...
And then go look underneath.
What, underneath what?
It's dirty.
Oh, it's not bad. It's just dirt. I'm so excited. So, we're gonna be... Wow! So, I don't know. I wanna plug this hole. We're gonna be plugging holes. We're also gonna plug this hole and all the holes in here that we're not gonna be using. And we gotta take the bag out, take the wheel out. We have, what is it called? GK Tech sells it. It's like a stabilizer for this. And we're be putting undercoating underneath all this. And support brace, okay. And I'm just so excited to paint this engine bay. Sorry, you guys, I have the hiccups. And I put a plate here before. Oh, hold on. I put a plate here before for the EGR delete. It's held up pretty nice. But now we have an actual EGR delete. And so... I'm so excited just to clear up most of this harness because half of it we're not even using. Literally. Holy shiesties. So this... Oh, it's gonna be a fat bruise later. But this intake is being a bitch. And
I think it's being quite friendly.
we got this thing out with the fans. And what the hell? Oh, yeah, we had to cut them, so we're gonna have to make them clippable so we can take them off.
I mean, it's 12.
My legs are tired. Want an extension? Wrench?
Yeah.
But it's going fairly well right now. What?
There's one on the inside.
In the engine bay?
I don't know. Just give it
So we have to take the top piece of this intake off to get this wire and harness through. We have to undo the harness from the transmission and take out the downpipe, and we should, oh, actually we have to undo the power steering lines and the AC. So we're probably going to undo the AC before tonight, let it sit out so no one's in the shop when we're actually doing it. Well, when the... I know. I'm just saying we can't be in here when the AC is... When we are undo the AC. So we'll probably do undo the power steering. We need to get this freaking bolt off of the manifold. How do you think we're going to do that?
Let's get it out of the car.
Out of the car for that?
Yeah.
That was a freaking battle. So we had I don't even know what we did, honestly. We undid some hoses. We took the studs out so we could pull it straight out. Now we got...
Looks like we're gonna need to replace these. Do you just want to throw
I already have new ones, yeah.
Okay.
So, let's see, we got this. We got this, what? Plug we have to undo. This plug. How's this done?
That's a knock sensor. Here, let me grab it. You got the camera.
Here we go. We got the knock sensor. How do we? How? What
Here,
the?
it's this guy.
Oh, I was like, what the? Isn't this? What's this?
That's the knock sensor, this one part.
Oh, okay. That's what I was. I was like, that's not the knock sensor. Okay. And we don't need to unplug this or
Okay,
this.
be careful with this guy here.
We're ready to pull this thing out. Exciting stuff is happening, guys. Exciting stuff. Parker, isn't this exciting stuff?
Yeah. Love it.
Love this stuff. My hands hurt. They're all scratched up.
Your car cuts me more than any car.
I don't get how either. It hurts. Shit hurts, man. But look how clean this AC condenser is.
This shit connected somewhere.
This is nice.
Oh, we got one more bar right there.
I knew it. So we got one more bracket holding this thing in. You guys see that bar right there?
You got that.
Fuck you. Last bolt. One last sensor. And she out of there.
You just got me snotting.
Let's look at the valves. So that one's stuck open. That one's stuck open. And the rest of them are good.
Let's see.
So we got two valves stuck open right there. Well, let's see.
They're knocking.
No, this is just create smoke. It's kind of hard to tell that they're open. Yeah, you can see, like, there's that gap back there. This one's sealed. So, that's not great. Good thing we got a new head coming. So, damn, there's so many wires. I didn't even realized it. Okay, so let's take the power steering apart, and if we're done tonight, we'll talk.
On here?
What? That's just ground.
Okay, to the starter.
Yeah. And we gotta try to get this bolt out. How are we gonna get this out? That's my concern.
I have to cut it out.
Oh, it's a stud too, huh?
Yep.
I mean, I guess we could get a bolt.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can cut it out. And then I'm going to probably drain the power steering lines. And then before we go in tonight, we're gonna release Stacy. Okay, so after freaking many hours of trying to cut the bolt out, we were finally able to start turning it, and we were so close to being through. I can't even show you, but we were very close to being through, like millimeters, very. Yeah, here's this thing. And this was my exhaust leak. We blew through this, and I did not realize that. And so if you look at my wastegate, it's all black. So we actually have to take the exhaust off to test fit the new setup. But a lot of work has been done tonight. Let's see. Yes, a lot of work has been done tonight. Very exciting stuff. Everything's out of the car except for oil. We should be able to pull tomorrow. but you have all your things? You have everything?
Yeah.
Okay, open the windows. Huh? Yeah. That's a freaking 12. It's a freaking 12, man. It is.
Rag or something so you don't get sprayed.
Well, where's the big wrench? I don't see the. Found it.
Hold on.
It's very hard with camera. I don't know if I'm a screen. Damn. Finally. Okay, you ready? Huh?
Probably gonna get sprayed, buddy. There you go. I guarantee you there's a better way to release this, but it's fine. I'm sure we're gonna get chewed out in the comment section.
Yeah. Tell me if you guys have a better. Oh, it's coming. Hold your breath. So if you guys haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, and we should be pulling the engine out tomorrow in the next video. And so we'll see you in the next one. Peace.